One of the things we've been told about Copilot is that it can help create presentations, and I've been playing around with it. In this video, I have a single prompt that I'm going to use in both Copilot on the web and Copilot in PowerPoint. Let's see what results I get. Hi, I'm Michelle, here to help you get more out of Microsoft 365 without the stress, one tip at a time. Let's start in Copilot on the web. Now, I am signed in as my business license, so this is the included Copilot, currently known as M365 Copilot Basic. Here's one I copied earlier, and I'm asking it to create a presentation about cybersecurity, just a quick intro with an overview, 3 key benefits, and a simple next steps outline. And while it's starting to think, let's nip over into PowerPoint Desktop. And remember, I'm still signed in as my business account. Let's click Copilot, and I'm going to paste in the exact same prompt. And let's see what it comes up with there. Nipping back to Copilot on the web. Interesting thing is it's coding and executing. It's not asking me any questions. It's not looking like it's going to give me the content, the slide outline, and let me create it. It looks like it's actually going to be creating a presentation for me. So that's something that's interesting to note. All right, so it says it's now created it. And the really interesting thing that Copilot on the web I've seen it do multiple times before, is it says it's created it, but it doesn't give me the link. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. So let's say the link hasn't been included. Please share it. Right. Oh, I've got a title, a file name, but it hasn't given me the actual link. So let me copy that link, and I'm going to paste that into a new tab, and I'll let that load up. Right. Here it is. You'll notice it giving me sample things, so I'm still going to need to edit things a little bit. I have got a grand total of 10 slides. Let's have a quick look through them. Okay. So actually, with a quick look, I'm not sure I like the colours, but as a quick look through, it's actually not bad at all. Let's jump back to PowerPoint, and you'll notice the first thing it's asking me is, how do I want it to look and feel? Let's choose warm and confident slate. You'll notice I do have the option for another colour if I want, but let's confirm that. I have done this before, and I'm telling you now, this takes a while. I'm going to let it process through in real time, but I will speed the video up because it seems to take a good, I don't know, 10 minutes. I'm going to shut up so that I don't sound weird on the video. That's now created it. So quick thing to note, if you're going to use Copilot in PowerPoint to create your presentation, please don't leave it to the last minute. It can take longer than you expect. Plus, you still need to review it and adjust it as needed. Here's my presentation, and you can see, unlike the one created in Copilot, I've got 4 slides. They're not too bad. Quick overview, 3 things. So it's actually followed my prompts a little bit closer. As you can see, the result that you get is going to completely depend. I will share the exact prompt I used in the description below. Have a go yourself. Test the prompt out, see what you prefer, and share with the channel the results and what you personally prefer. Give the video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the channel to be told as more videos like this one are released. I'll see you next time.